While project management focuses on delivering projects within a specific time and budget, pulling from available resources to succeed, resource management supports project management and is used to track resources that are required to complete each task defined under the project management umbrella. While they may overlap, they are two distinct processes that can get more complicated as businesses share company-wide resources. To help keep track of resources and to manage, plan, and allocate their utility, your business should invest in a resource management software. In this video, we'll look at the best resource management and scheduling tools to help you match your current project demand with available resources. Let's get started. Number 1. GanttPro. Over 700,000 people from all over the world chose to manage their teamwork and personal activities using GanttPro. Now they enjoy a new way to manage resources, estimate project costs, and coordinate workload across the team. GanttPro is intuitive online Gantt chart software for robust project management. The tool meets the needs of project, product, and portfolio managers from different spheres. The platform lets you assign tasks to your resources and set costs for labor and material resources and see how your resources are engaged in your project. You can differentiate cost values per hour, per item, or just a fixed value for various resources. GanttPro lets you send invitations to project participants or virtual resources to join your project and see who is overloaded or has not had enough tasks, and if needed, reassign them. You can also make personal calendars with working hours, non-working days, and annual leaves beforehand. The solution lets you export your project or share it via a public URL and present it to customers, clients, or stakeholders. And if you launch your project scheduling in Excel or MS Project, you can import it in a few clicks to GanttPro. Some of the GanttPro key features include task and resource management, team collaboration, time logging, baselines, advanced export, and sharing features. And if you want to try GanttPro for free and have a full picture of the entire project at hand at any given moment, check out the link in the description. Number 2. TeamGantt. TeamGantt is a project collaboration and planning software for teams. The software combines intuitive Gantt charts with task management, task-level communication, file sharing, and resource management. With TeamGantt, you can prevent work overload, avoid scope creep, and always know when your team is capable of taking on new work or new clients. One thing that many modern project management tools lack is the ability to see the big picture of your team's workload and load balance the work as it comes in. Adding people and resources to your projects and tasks is super easy. You can assign as many people and resources to a task as you need to get the job done. You can even split hours on a task between people and resources. Filter your Gantt chart project by people or resources to get a quick overview of the workload of everyone on your team. This makes it easy to rearrange workloads to make sure no one is overloaded while others sit still. It also allows you to see if there are any gaps, allowing you to predict project risks ahead of time. If you use hourly estimations in your tasks, you can view your team's workload by hours. If you don't want to get that detailed, you can simply view the workload by the number of tasks. And with TeamGantt's new time tracking features, you can easily compare actual hours versus estimated hours to make sure your projects stay on time and on budget. With a single click, project managers can easily view and schedule people and resources within your Gantt chart. If this sounds appealing, TeamGantt offers our audience a 14-day free trial where you can try all the premium tools and features. Number 3. Monday.com. Monday.com is a flexible platform to help teams communicate in context and get a bird's eye view of outstanding projects, available resources, and projected timelines. Monday.com's smart design and straightforward interface means teams can get started planning timelines, assigning project ownership, and managing any project in minutes. Monday offers various views to represent data, so each team member can work according to his preferences. With the workload view, you can easily see who's available to take on more work and who's not. The platform lets you gain insight into your team's work capacity and make adjustments to timelines or ownership accordingly, no matter where you are. The Monday.com app gives you the flexibility and power to run your team on the go. You can organize your daily work, projects, and teams all in one place. Monday.com has over 40 integrates with apps like Slack, Excel, Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar, Jira, GitHub, Trello, Dropbox, Typeform, and others, accessible via Zapier. Number 4. Paymo. At its core, Paymo is a project management software that boasts a powerful resource scheduling module on top of planning, native time tracking, and invoicing. Paymo allows you to plan task durations and set dependencies between them. The software reunites team capacity, workload, and availability on a visual timeline to help you allocate resources accordingly across your small business. With tasks and bookings in sync, you can map resource changes on the actual project plan, which is vital for good resource management. The automatic resource scheduling feature is worth looking at, as Paymo sets up automatic ghost bookings based on the previously added task dates. And if tasks don't have a start and end date, you can still drop unplanned tasks directly into a user's schedule. In terms of future resource demand, you can toggle between a weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly time span to forecast it. Plus, what users love is that the platform enables booking resources by the hour for meetings using the daily view. The daily view is similar to a calendar, but with hours on the horizontal axis. Paymo also comes with a built-in leave planner to plan vacations without leaving the scheduler. You can also pair this up with professional user analytics that gives you an overview of a user's remaining paid versus non-paid leave days and their current performance. Number 5. ProWorkFlow. ProWorkFlow is a work management platform that helps small and large teams achieve clear visibility and accountability on projects, tasks, billing, and reporting. ProWorkFlow includes all the features of a traditional project management solution. In addition, the solution also offers business process management, timesheets, templates, notifications, and alerts, file sharing, workflow management, contact management, reporting, and resource management. There are 3 types of users in ProWorkFlow. Your staff, clients, and contractors can all be considered resource personnel in a project. These resources can be managed in various ways in ProWorkFlow, with the most obvious one being able to run a report on them. Managing each resource can be based on the permission that's given to them in the tool. It defines what they can see and do. This can be done either in the project phase or task. They have 2 additional apps that can be used for resource management apart from the main app. The weekly workload app, which is an overview of the week's workload, and the availability checker app, which lets you see who's available to be assigned to the next tasks. Number 6. Float. Built with teams in mind, Float is a resource management tool that helps employees set individual work hours, track time for scheduled tasks, and even schedule their own personal time off. It has the functionality to plan projects while adding in both budget and custom time constraints. This program can also get very granular with projects and present them in individual phases, taking into account every step of a project and all available resources needed to complete it. Float's robust reporting tools provide data directly pulled from completed or ongoing projects, so your business can make any resource data-derived decisions for your business. Built with the ability to integrate with other project management tools like Slack or Teamwork, Float is a simple integration with a big return. Number 7. Runn. Runn is a real-time resource management platform with integrated time tracking and powerful forecasting capabilities. By providing visibility of project plans, people's time, and business health, Runn streamlines teams and keeps them on the same page. The platform lets you intuitively plan projects and schedule resources with allocations, project phases, milestones, and time off. You can flick between monthly, quarterly, and half-yearly views to plan for the short and long term. Get a dynamic bird's-eye view of your entire business to manage capacity, workload, and availability as you allocate people. With Runn, you can drill into different roles, teams, and tags to compare trends and understand which groups are overbooked. Plan out tentative projects to see how plans might change if work gets confirmed. You can also track projects, view forecasts, and get relevant metrics. Get insights like utilization, project variance, and overall financial performance. So these are the best resource management software tools available on the market. We hope this list will help you choose the right software for your business. If you're undecided about which tool to choose, in the video descriptions, you'll find free trials and the latest discounts to all of these platforms. So I highly recommend checking them out and doing your own research to see which platform suits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.